Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start chapter number 7. Last lecture we have done Qayyad exercise chapter number 6. So now I'm going to start chapter number 7, and your chapter name is Sela Weekend. Okay, it's a weekend. Okay, there are two person. One is Helen or one is Ellen. Okay, one is Helen or one is Ellen. Okay, these are two, one is boy and one is girl, so they are talking. And the first one is Helen is saying bon anniversaire. This one, bon anniversaire Ellen. Okay, happy birthday Ellen. Bon anniversaire, bon anniversaire is happy birthday Ellen. So then Ellen is saying merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup. Okay, merci beaucoup is thanks a lot. Merci beaucoup is thanks a lot Helen. Okay, then Helen is saying aujourd'hui, today. C'est jeudi. Jeudi is a weekdays. Jeudi is your Thursday. Okay, aujourd'hui, today. C'est jeudi. Jeudi is Thursday. Jeudi, the word, this one. Okay, today is Thursday. And nous fêtons ton anniversaire. We celebrate your birthday. Nous fêtons ton anniversaire. We celebrate your birthday aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui is today. Okay, so Ellen is saying bien sûr, why not? Okay, bien sûr. A vendredi and Friday. Vendredi is your Friday. This one. This is the weekday. Vendredi, vendredi. This is Friday. Je vais chez mes cousins. Je vais chez mes cousins. Cousin is your cousins. Cousin. Okay. I go to my cousin house. Je vais chez. Chez is for at house. Okay. Chez. This word. Okay. Meaning is chez. Chez is at home. At house. Okay. Je vais chez mes cousins. I go to my cousin house. Then Helen is saying d'accord. D'accord is it's okay. D'accord, this word. D'accord, it's okay. Then Ellen is saying quand est ton anniversaire? When your birthday? Quand. Quand, this word Q-U-A-N-D used for when. Quand est ton anniversaire? When your birthday? Then Helen is saying c'est un mois de janvier. C'est un mois de janvier. It's in the month of Jan. It's in the month of Jan. Okay, c'est un mois de janvier. Then Ellen is saying bon, c'est bientôt. Bon is for good. Okay, bon, it's good. C'est bientôt, it's soon. Bientôt, it means soon. Okay, c'est soon. Okay, it's soon. C'est bientôt, it's soon. Helen is saying oui. Oh, this is an expression word. Oui. C'est l'anniversaire de mariage de mes parents en février. This February is a month of Feb. Okay, and c'est l'anniversaire. It's a marriage anniversary of my parents in Feb. Anniversaire de mariage. This one. Meaning is anniversary. Okay, marriage anniversary. Okay, c'est l'anniversaire de mariage de mes parents. Okay, parents is P-A-R-E-N-T, parents. Okay, it's a marriage anniversary of my parents in Feb. Ellen, c'est superb. It's superb. Okay, so then see the page number 76. Les jours de la semaine. Les jours de la semaine. Days of the week. Okay, in French we will start from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, in English we are starting from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like this. But in French starting is from Monday. So lundi is Monday, mardi is Tuesday, mercredi is Wednesday, Jeudi is Thursday, Vendredi is Friday, Samedi is Saturday, and Dimanche is Sunday. Okay, so Lundi, Mardi, Mercredi, Jeudi, Vendredi, Samedi, and Dimanche. These are the 7 days of the week. Okay, in French. So you have to learn these all. Okay, Lundi is Monday, Mardi is Tuesday, Mercredi is Wednesday, Jeudi is Thursday, Vendredi is Friday, Samedi is Saturday, and Dimanche is Sunday. Okay, so this is your weekdays, and the calendar, see the first one calendar, and see it is given, see this one, it is starting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Lundi, Mardi, Mercredi, Jeudi, Vendredi, Samedi, Dimanche. Okay, the first word is Monday. Okay, so Lundi, fine, and the last one is Dimanche. Sunday will go last. So see this one. Il y a 12 mois dans une année. There are 12 months in a year. Il y a 12 mois dans une année. There are 12 months in a year. And il y a 7 jours dans une année. This one. This one is il y a 12 mois dans une année. There are 12 months in a year. And here is il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. There are 7 days in a week. Il y a 7 jours dans la semaine. Jour word is for days. Okay, this one. And 7 is your counting part, so 7. Okay, and une semaine is a week. Okay, so this is your chapter. Okay, we will do these 3 pages only today. So go with reading, learn weekdays, and keep your finger when you go for reading. Okay, keep your finger. And see this one, this is formal way and informal way. Okay, formal is when we talk with woo or nu, like in Hindi we call aap, and when we talk with you, that one is informal way, this one. Okay, this is a formal way and this is informal way. Okay, I will explain next lecture this one. Okay, what is the formal way and what is informal way. Okay, right, only you will do these 3 weekdays, learn and go with proper reading of this chapter, and keep your finger when you go for reading. Okay, and if you have any doubt you can ask. Okay, do reading properly and keep your finger. Okay, again and again I'm saying, and learn weekdays and learn spell. Go with writing these weekdays. Okay, thank you, take care everyone.